Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to insert a motion code text box in Microsoft Word to create stylish and professional looking document. The motion code text box is built-in design style in Word that adds a modern code layout with a colored line and formatted text, making it perfect for highlighting important statements. Instead of using plain text, you can use motion codes to make your codes highlight or key message stand out beautifully in your document. So let's get started. Now you want to insert the motion code text box, go to some down, then go to the insert menu, click this text box option. Then we can see here default many text box. Now I find and select the motion code text box, scroll down some and find the motion code text box. Here the motion code. Now you can see here the motion code text box, you can write anything. Now I am write some text. Otherwise you can paste any text here. Now you can see we insert the motion code text box easily. You can change the color, go to the format menu, click the shape fill color or and add the outline. Otherwise you can edit the text, select the text and go back the home menu and increase the font size or change the color of this text. I hope you understand this process to inserting the motion code text box easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.